my ticket. Ito na yung ticket ko.
Wala kang maglagay.
Paano yan? Saan ba ilalagay? Left or right?
Ha?
Kanan or kaliwa?
Kay saan?
Ayun na lang.
Free one bottle beer and goggles.
Ay mga Manix, ayun na. I have our ticket here. Okay na.
Free 1 bottle beer and taco.
Okay, so I don't drink beer. Paano yun?
Okay. It's okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang din claim.
Sige.
Thank you.
Okay mga Manix, we are already here inside this party, WHATTASPLASH mga Manix, and this is the first time here in Cebu. The good thing about here mga Manix, I'm going to show you what are the events going on here. Actually, like I said, this is the first time here in Cebu mga Manix, so let's check it out, let's check it inside. Tara! Hello mga Manix, I'm with Shaira and Tanya. Hi Tanya and Shaira. Is this your first time to attend this kind of event here in Cebu? So, kanina pa kayo or just now? Did you enjoy? Really? Until what time ba yung event? In the morning? So ano to? More on a pool party or just water gun lang? So iba rin yung pool party. Okay.
Full party po, try nyo po yung
Top Lodge. And that was located where? Okay, that's good. So anyway, thank you so much. Would you like to shout out your friends?
Follow me on Instagram, Sarah Hashers.
Okay, and how about you?
Hi!
Okay, thank you. Okay mga Manix, we have another group here. Hello guys. Hi. What's your name?
I'm Ruth.
Ruth, and you are? And you are?
Mia.
Mia. And you are?
Mia.
Okay guys, so is this your first time here in this kind of event here in Cebu? Okay, how is it? How is the event? Did you like the event?
Yeah.
Kalarating niyo ba or kanina pa kayo dito?
Ayun lang.
Kanina pa kayo?
Hindi, ayun lang.
At sabi kayo. Okay, hope you enjoyed the whole night, okay? Would you like to shout out your friends?
Hi, Basti and Sunny. Hi, Basti and Sunny and Sam. Hi, high school friends and college friends.
Shout out your name. Anyway mga Manix, nandito si Pai. Hi Pai. And April, right? April. Hi April. This is your first time here in this kind of party in Cebu. This is the first time, right, in Cebu? How is it? What can you say about this party?
Siyempre, it's first time so masyadong masaya. Maraming tao. Music fest.
Yeah, you know. So, ready ba kayo mabasa?
Of course! Let's get that!
Kararating niyo lang ba? Kanina pa kayo?
Ano po?
Kararating niyo lang o kanina pa kayo?
Medyo kanina po.
So, nabasahan na kayo? Akala ko nabasahan na sila mga Manix. Anyway, so shout out to your friends naman. Gusto niyo i-shout out?
Hi friends! Let's go to Pre-Sinulog party! One of the best festivals here in Cebu.
Yeah. Sa Cebu sa part sa Sinulog, saan kayo mag-stay? What is your plan on this coming Sinulog?
Actually po, dito po kami nag-work.
Okay, so ano, join kayo sa
Yes, street party. Street party. Next week, meron pa pong vlog.
So saan yun?
Sa Mandaue.
Mandaue. Doon niyo held join?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, thank you so much. Nice meeting you girls. Bye-bye.
Bye!
Okay mga Manix, so today mga Manix, I'm here in this party. First time ever happened here in Cebu mga Manix, as you can see on my stage. That was a really good party mga Manix. There, ayan mga Manix. Since I cannot go there mga Manix because I'm wearing shirts, I cannot go there, so I should stay here. Everybody throwing water guns across this whole event over here mga Manix, even here. Yeah, so stay tuned mga Manix. I cannot go there, but I will try to check later on mga Manix if ever I can visit this area and over there without wearing my dress. Okay, thank you mga Manix. Alright, so mga Manix, I'm with Daniel right now. Hi Daniel.
Hello.
Daniel, right?
Daniel.
From Spain.
Spain, Madrid.
And you're working here in La Paz?
In La Plaza. We are
La Plaza.
opening the biggest pool club in the Philippines right now.
Oh, really?
5,000 square meters.
So this is the first time here in Cebu?
The first time we opened the club, yes.
Okay. So when are you going to open this your club?
We will open 17 and 18 of January next weekend for Sinulog, and will be a pretty wild party.
Oh, okay.
We bring the people of Hydro Manila, so we will celebrate Hydro Cebu for the first time.
Oh, that's cool. Invite all my viewers to
Yes,
come and
please.
visit.
You will enjoy, and it's the kind of party if you don't go, you will regret after. Biggest pool party in the Philippines. We bring Hydro Manila, and going to be insane.
Wow. So where can they buy the ticket? I mean,
The tickets you can buy in La Plaza in the Facebook group. The name is La Plaza Club.
La Plaza
There
Club.
you can find all the information, and then you can get tickets.
Okay, I'll put the link down below, mga Manix, so that you can click on that link and buy the ticket from that link, okay?
Yeah.
Well, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Yeah,
man.
thank you. Nice meeting you.
Nice to meet
Okay,
you, man.
guys. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. So mga Kamanix, as of now mga Kamanix, I'm done checking around here in this WHATTASPLASH event mga Kamanix. This event is really amazing, and this is really first time here in Cebu mga Kamanix. WHATTASPLASH. Thank you so much for watching mga Kamanix. Don't forget to click subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to click notification bell, and of course don't forget to share, click like mga Kamanix. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!